Now that I'm a mom, I'm looking for a book that can inspire my daughter as she grows. I want her to be a real-world problem solver who understands science and how the world works.
What was that?
Engineering wings to the sun. This looks interesting. Wow, these girls are future engineers. I like how they use the Icarus story to come up with an engineering problem to solve. This part is neat. The girls actually visiting some local ceramics and refractory labs. Sounds like just what I'm looking for. I'll take 2.